Hi, in this Blender tutorial, I'll show you how to create glowing objects. I pre-made this scene in Blender 4.2 and I'm planning to use Eevee next. You can check out the full tutorial on Eevee next here. Press Z to switch to render mode. I want to apply a glowing effect to the sphere placed here. But first, it's important to apply some post-processing effects in the compositor. To achieve the glare effect, we have two steps, creating the material and then applying post effects. Here I have several nodes for adding effects to the scene, with the most important being the glare node. Next, I need to activate real-time composition, which can be activated just for the camera or elsewhere. I explained this capability in detail in the tutorial here. As you can see, the glare effect is applied in real time. Then go to the shader editor. As you can see, the sphere's material is empty. Press Shift A to add a shader. Go to the shader. Here I can use the Emission shader. I'll explain glowing with the principal BSDF shader later. Connect the Emission shader to the surface input. Now it's glowing. Let's disable real-time composition for testing. Now let's change the color to something like the sun. Finally, adjust the intensity. You can see some lens dirt effects when I move the camera. I applied this effect in the compositor. You can find the tutorial on creating lens dirt here. Okay, now let's do it with the principal BSDF shader. Here I can use the emission attribute. I need to adjust the properties just like with the emission shader. I've also used emission in the head area. However, a texture has been applied to it, which I created in Substance Painter. The dark areas mean no emission, and the red areas will glow when increasing the intensity. I need to increase the intensity to see the effect more clearly. It's beautiful. If you'd like a tutorial on creating emission textures in Substance Painter, let me know in the comments.